What is going on, VR Explorers? I'm Joseph Guernsey, and today I want to talk to you about an email I received from Oculus about the delay of the Elite strap for the Quest 2. Now, I've been waiting for mine for some time, so I was a little bit upset when I received this email. So I started looking online for other options, and I found out that people were taking the Vive Deluxe Audio Strap and they were putting it on the Quest 2, just with a few 3D printed parts. And since I have a 3D printer and I know how to print, I decided to take that route. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put the Vive Deluxe Audio Strap on the Quest 2. Let's jump right into this. Let's get those 3D parts printed and put this thing together. Okay guys, so here are the 3D printed parts. The next thing we want to do is unbox the Vive Deluxe Audio Strap. So let's do that, and then we can get to putting this thing together. Okay, so here it is. The Vive Deluxe Audio Strap. This is what it looks like outside the box. Just a head strap for a VR headset. So we can go ahead and get right into this, but the first thing we need to do is remove the original headband from the Quest 2. All we're going to do is grab right here past the little speaker on the Quest, and we're going to pry it back with just slight pressure. And there you go, it pops right off. And maybe you can see a better angle from this side now. Right here there's a little small tab right past the speaker here. We're just going to grab that and we're going to pry it back, and it pops right off. Okay, then we're going to take the center strap here, undo the Velcro. Oh, I forgot, you got to take the face shield off first. So you're just going to grab it right there and give it a little pull, and grab the other side and pull, and it comes right off. Now we can run the top Velcro strap through, just pull it on out. Okay, and there you go. Now that we have that off the Quest, this is probably the last time you're ever going to see this strap on this Quest 2. Okay, we are now ready to put the Deluxe Audio Strap onto the Quest 2. So we'll put that right there. We're going to take our 3D printed parts. Now these are the side parts that are going to go in place of the old strap. You can mix these up, but it's almost impossible because right here there's a cutout. This is the one that goes on the side that has the headphone jack on it. It has a cutout so that this right here will slot right there in that slot there. The other side doesn't have that. It's solid on both top and bottom. So this means this goes to this side and this one goes to this side. And so what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and just take the audio strap here, and we're just going to slide this in. We're going to start by putting the circle part in first here at the front, and we're just going to push it together. Let me turn this so I can have a better grip on this. Okay, I pushed it in, it snaps in there, and then we push the back part in. And there we go. That side is now on. Okay, and we're going to do the same for this side. Let me go ahead and turn this around for you so you all can see what I'm doing here. Taking this, turn it the right way, and we're going to push the circle part in first. We have to work with it just a bit to get it lined up. Okay, well, I'm struggling here. There we go, I got it. And then we're just going to work it back. Make sure that pushes all the way down in. And there we go, it snaps right on. Okay, you may have to work with it a bit, but there we go, it's a very snug fit. That definitely isn't coming off very easily. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the 3D printed part. We're going to start at the front, put it here, and just kind of work it onto the Quest. There we go, it snapped right on. That was very easy. And we'll do the same for the other side. Again, start at the front, put it right here, kind of cover it up, and give it a little press. There we go. And there we go. That's on. Man, that's feeling pretty solid compared to the other thing we had on there. Okay. We're gonna take our Velcro strap here. Oh, I almost forgot something. Let me grab the Velcro strap that came in the Vive Deluxe Audio Straps box, and we'll put the next piece on. This also came in the box with the Deluxe Audio Strap. It's just a little piece of Velcro. Go ahead and open that right here. Okay, it's just a little Velcro strap. Now we're gonna take our middle piece here. This is a 3D printed part as well. And we're gonna run the Velcro, the small Velcro strap through here, through the top slot right there, the little one. And we're just gonna Velcro this onto the slot right here. Now there's a little slot. I don't know if you can see that right there, but we're gonna run this piece of Velcro right through there. Okay, just like that. And it doesn't have to be super tight. Okay. Now that we have that 3D printed part on there with the Velcro, which that's not gonna let go, you'd have to put some crazy force on that to get it to come off. We can go ahead and run our main strap through that now, through the top side of that. Wow, that fits like a glove. Whoever designed this did a fantastic job. Okay, and we'll just fold that over. And now that we have this top strap on, we can turn our Quest over. Don't forget to put your face shield back on. And that's what we're doing right here. Turn it up, be the easiest way to get back on there. And just snap it back into place. Make sure it snaps. There we go. Everything's on. It's ready to go. Okay guys, so let's put it on our head and see what it's like. I've already flipped the audio speakers out of the way. When you first put it on, you may want to do that. Oh wow, this is so much better than the original strap. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it up with this knob right here. Oh yeah, that's nice and snug. This is so much better. So if you got the email where Oculus has delayed the shipment of your Elite strap, I would recommend canceling it and going this route. This is a little bit more expensive if you had just ordered the Elite strap, but I had the Elite strap with battery, which actually costs more than this. This is $100 on Amazon, or at least at the time that I made this video it was. And I also only had to wait 2 days, not a month. Literally 2 days, and this thing was shipped to my house. So that's so amazing. I can't recommend this enough. So guys, I will catch y'all in the next video.